How to turn on grid lines on Canva. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, make sure your Canva app is updated to the latest version. Open up your Play Store. Now search for Canva. Now check for the update and update the application to the latest version. Now after updating, go back to your home screen and open up Canva. Now tap on the plus icon. Now choose your format. Now select this empty space and tap on three dots. Now tap on settings. Now click on add guides. Now select your grid and tap on done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.